From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Sneidel.
Kind of get the sense here that our second half of the week is going to be a whole lot quieter than what the first half of the week was. Today was a transition into that relatively quieter weather. Had some partial sun, but clouds filled in late in the day. It's mainly overcast right now. Now, I'm showing you this because I'm about to show you a radar that suggests we have a fair amount of snow falling across the area. And I mean, technically it's possible that we do, and we're just having a hard time seeing those flurries on a few of these shots. But one way or the other, what it's not doing is snowing appreciably anywhere. Nobody is going to be waking up to having to shovel snow or have the plows come out. It's not even below freezing yet at the airport. We're still at 33, right around the freezing mark across a lot of the area. But to our benefit tonight and tomorrow morning, the wind flow, albeit light, is southerly. Between that and the cloud cover, we're not going to have any window here to drop any more than maybe just a couple of degrees. That'll be it. Now, wind chills will still be in the 20s. I'm not trying to tell you you're going to be wearing shorts at the bus stop tomorrow morning, but it is not going to be quite as bitterly cold around here. Satellite and radar. If we've got some light snow falling, it probably favors that batch northward over Lake Ontario getting into Canada. But most of the rest of this, if the flakes are surviving some of the drier air, it's flurries, and that's literally all we've got. We look off to the northwest here. There's going to be more in the way of generally light action. And I think this is kind of what our forecast is going to be to a large degree over at least the next week. Within this northwest wind flow, it's going to be a series of kind of like quick hitting clipper systems that don't have that much bite to them, at least most of them as we see that right now. Future view for the remainder of the night, we'll keep that sky mainly overcast. Let's do low 40s into the afternoon tomorrow. Now, you start getting numbers like this, if we've got something that's out there and there could be a light something into the afternoon, it probably leans in the form of liquid with rainfall. But much like today, there could even be a few breaks in there. I want to keep an eye later Thursday evening and Thursday night. There's a small chance of northern lights potential around here. We'll get there when we get there. We'll see if the energy has arrived yet. But I think that's probably our best opportunity over the next few nights, given the cloud cover situation. Friday, we'll deal with another line of downpours right around lunchtime, but we'll be in the 50s or at least close to it Friday, and then maybe again into Saturday. So that's your warm-up out of this. Not 70, but we'll take it. With the clippers, you're going to probably ask the question, does that mean do we have more strong winds that we're going to have to deal with? No, we will not. Wind gusts tomorrow no better than 20 miles per hour. Wind gusts on Friday could briefly, with that boundary coming by, tip the scale around 30 miles per hour. But it's quick hitting, doesn't last long, not going to cause a problem. Into the weekend, if we do 50, it will be Saturday. Now, if there's one system in the short term here that we would watch for maybe a higher ceiling of potential, and that's a big maybe, it would be Sunday into Sunday night. Front drop southward. Do we get another ripple of energy that tries to ride along that and enhances the precip? And we've seen a few models trying to hint at maybe that's a possibility. For now, we'll just call it some light rain showers, maybe ending as snow showers, and take it a day at a time.